Converted my shape back to the way that it looked before I started, and I'm showing you why I wanted to go ahead and change from having a compound shape for my mountain back here. So assuming that I hadn't gone through the bother of hitting release and changing the mountain from a compound path into like those simple paths, well, now we've got this shape sitting on top of the compound path. See, again, I can move it and it goes away. But I need to put it back in the right spot. Okay, but you say, all right, no, I'm good. I can line it up perfectly. The problem is what happens when you go to clean it. So again, if you go to the smooth tool, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit, and I want to smooth out that bottom line. You can see that I've now created, I can see the gaps between my original and the new one. So again, if I cleaned up this weird little shape on the mountain up here, again, I'm going to zoom in a bit, and I go ahead and I get rid of this, I'm starting to see these gaps appear. So this is why it's best to work with as simple a thing as you possibly can. So in this case, rather than dealing with this shape on top of a compound path, again, if I release it, I can go ahead and I can get rid of those extra shapes. So then I'm just working with two shapes instead of shape on top of shape on top of shape. So again, simple, easiest way to go.